Hello students, today I am going to teach you lesson 1 of class 3, a computer system. In this chapter we will discuss about the computer system, its meaning, hardware and software and other hardware devices. In the previous class you have learnt about computers. What is computer? A computer is an electronic device. It is a machine that works with the data and instruction given by the user. The computers are used in different fields, for example, defense, space research, offices, hospitals, designing, airport, animated movies, banks, etc. We can do many things with the help of computers. We can draw pictures, we can type letters, we can play games, solve sums, watch movie, cartoons, listen to music, etc. The physical part of the computer that you can feel or touch is hardware. The hardware can be classified as input-output device and processing device, together known as IPO device. We can understand the relationship between the hardware and software with the help of our body. If hardware is the body, the software is just like the soul of the body. The computer cannot perform without the software. Each software has hardware, physical part like keyboard, mouse, etc. and software programs and instructions are associated with it, which help a computer to work. The main parts of the computer are monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse. Here we will discuss about monitor. So, what is monitor? A monitor, it just looks like a TV screen. Whatever work we do in the computer, it displays the work there. The monitor is also known as video. Video, the full form is visual display unit. Whatever information is displayed on the monitor is called soft copy. There are 3 types of monitors. They are cathode ray tubes, that is CRT monitor. Next is liquid crystal display LCD monitor. Light emitting diode, that is LED monitor. Now, what is CRT monitor? CRT monitor, they are a bulky computers. CRT monitors are bigger in size and they consume more power, whereas the LCD and LED, they have a flat type of screen. The LED monitor consumes less power than an LED monitor. They last longer. The LED is light emitting diode monitor. They last longer, and these LED monitors display better than LCD monitor. The LCD monitor has a flat type of screen, whereas the LED monitor are thinner and lighter in weight. Now, CPU. What is CPU? The CPU is the brain of the computer that processes all the instruction given in the computer. Whatever data we enter in the computer with the help of keyboard or mouse, it processes it. It processes the data, then we get the information with the help of CPU. All the working process goes on here. The CPU works on the data and does all thinking and calculations. The CPU is made up of three main parts, that is MU, CU and ALU. MU is memory unit, CU is control unit, and ALU is arithmetic and logical unit. In memory unit, we store data and instruction. They are being processed there and then passed to ALU or CU, that is control unit, and ALU, arithmetic and logical unit. Now, what is control unit? Control unit manages and controls the working of all the parts of computer. ALU, we can do all arithmetic calculation, addition, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, everything is done here. All logical operations we can find here, like greater number, smaller number, greater than, equal to, less than, or equal to, and not equal to numbers we can find. Rest of the topic I'll teach in the next class. You will have to write all the full form of the shortcuts given in the book, that is VDU, CRT, LCD, LED, CPU, MU, CU, ALU, and you have to paste the picture of computer in your copy. All this work you will have to do in copy. Read the lesson properly, read the topics that I have taught you today, and rest of the topic I'll teach you next day. Thank you.